Alright guys, we're out for day 2 at Buffalo Gap. Brought some extra little stuff to get some attention, some commercial items. We've got some Dutch ovens. Brought an old spittoon. I brought a few waffle irons out with me this time. Got our collectible table. Got some Griswolds, Wagner's, Field, some wall packs. Got a little wine rack. Got some Blacklocks, some Lodge stuff. Got some spiders. Got a few camp ovens left, not many. Over here I've got a whole bunch of 3s, a whole bunch of 5s for 5 and 10, just to try to lower the stock amount. And then we've got all the 7s and 8s. Then we got BSR row starting with the 6s, the 7s, the 8s, the 10s, and then I got the Red Mountain 10s, and then some 3-notch lodges. Got a couple of round griddles, a big 14, and then a couple of other griddles. And that's it, guys. Everything is set out. Hopefully we do good today.